Hello, my name is Ahmad Yunan Purtanamal from the Universitas Bhinneka PGRI Tulungagung. In making this video, it is a business communication course assessment in with the test in during the COVID-19 pandemic. This on how our business can keep going. Okay, let's just discussion it. Tips so that SMA business can survive the corona pandemic. The coronavirus has stolen the attention of all citizens of the world. The World Health Organization has even officially announced COVID-19 as a pandemic or global outbreak. The emergence of the coronavirus certainly has an impact on various lines of life, including the activities of small and medium business people or SMA. The coronavirus is considered to be hindering business processes because work that is usually done face to face become difficult. Tip for running a business to stay smooth during a pandemic. Running a SMA business when the Indonesian economic is affected by the coronavirus is very difficult. In fact, several business sectors were almost paralyzed, which to affect the country economic and cause a global slowdown in economic activity. In the end, SMA business player must run their brain to keep their comply in top condition without the need to meet face to face and work about contracting the coronavirus. To overcome this problem, business people can carry out a number of strategies so that the business continues to run smoothly amid the threats of economic recession due to corona. Replanning income and cut cost budget. The cost budget plan in business is a outline that is deliberately created the organize their business according to the required budget of or expenses. This step needs to be done primarily to evaluate the performance to the business, whether it is profitable or in a loss position. Not only that, making a budget plan is very important in business to calculate the entire budget that will be carried out in the business plan in the next period. Without a clear plan, entrepreneur will find it difficult to determine the cost of capital to be disbursed and the income target to be achieved. When the economic situation deteriorates due to the coronavirus, business people must be really observant in making decisions. It takes the right strategy for business to continue. One way that can be done is to make net company books. All financial transactions, both income, expansion, and other transactions will be well documented. About bookkeeping, the journal has a financial reporting feature. This bookkeeping application can be a tool that help you make the bookkeeping process faster and neater, so business people can analyze precisely which items are costly and need to be controlled for sending. In the end, you can make decisions in choosing or appropriately. Always monitor business transaction. Business actors cannot be separate from banking transaction activities to avoid the risk of being exposed to the coronavirus in public space. You should avoid visiting banking places of visit direct and prefer only transaction. During the telling filter in the journal, you can do bank reconciliation automatically with the help of visiting a physical office. The journal will display a summary of bank reconciliation on all cash and bank account, as well as change in cash and bank balance that have not been recorded. This is done by making surat account date and transaction in the journal on the same page. So no need to print a checking account again. Current account dates can be entered into the journal. View the bank statement import filter and talk the direct fit or automatic debt withdrawal by connecting the bank with your journal account. Then you can also use the Smart Bank reconciliation filter. With the Smart Bank reconciliation filter, the journal will automatically provide recommendation for matching transaction based on number, dates, or description of the same transaction. That way, the reconciliation process will be easier and faster.